Hey folks, I'm Walter, and are those drink packages really worth it on the cruise ship? Well, that really depends on you. How much are you going to drink per day? What types of drinks are you going to have? And then you just simply do the math to see if it's worth it. So let's take a look at what Royal Caribbean has right now to help us figure it out. So Royal Caribbean right now has deluxe beverage package, which is all drinks up to $13, all alcoholic drinks up to $13, water, soda, your specialty coffees, your lattes, the cappuccinos, the specialty teas that you can get. And right now, Royal Caribbean is offering this for $63 to $89 per day per person. That does not include the 18% gratuity, which will be automatically added. And if the ship has a standalone Starbucks, that Starbucks is not included in this package. Now, they also have a refreshment package, which is basically the same thing, but it just gets rid of the alcohol. You can have virgin mocktails, the water, the soda, specialty coffees, specialty teas, and that will run you $29 to $38 per day per person. Again, 18% gratuity will be added to that. And then they have your classic soda package. That's your Coca-Cola products, unlimited refills, $13 to $15 per day. You can look this up online. So now that you know how much this is going to cost per day, let's see, is it really worth it to get it? Well, let's see what I do. So on a typical day, I might have a dark and stormy cocktail, an old-fashioned cocktail, and a margarita. Those are going to run me $13 a piece according to the current Royal Caribbean pricing. Now, a glass of wine with dinner, $12. Maybe a couple of cappuccinos and a couple of lattes. That's going to run me $8 for two of them each. So I'm going to spend about $67 per day. So going back up to the deluxe beverage package, if it's less than $67 per day, then it might be worth it for me to get it. But if it's $89 per day, I'm actually going to be paying Royal Caribbean $20 a day for drinks that I'm not even going to drink. And that's how simple the math is. You can Google the cruise line and drink menu, and you'll find the menus online so you can see how expensive the drinks are. Then just do the math. How much is the drink package? What am I going to drink per day? Does the math work out? Get the drink package. If it doesn't work out, just pay a la carte.